Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about typecasting. So what is typecasting? So the meaning of typecasting is, changing the type of a variable. So here I'm going to create a new file at first, and I'm going to save the file as typecasting.python, so py. And here I'm going to say, let's say I want to set variable of number is equal to, let's say 10, and I want to set let's say name, let's say string, that is webtech knowledge. Okay, now let's say I want to change the type of a variable. Here you can see the number variable is integer, right? If I want to know the type, so I can actually use a function, and that is called type. And here I'm going to say that the type of number. Okay, I want to know it. So what can I do? I need to actually print it. So I mean this variable. So let's say I want to execute it, and if I execute it, and here you can see its type is integer, right? So the type is integer. Now let's say I want to change the type, and here, okay, so what can I do? I can actually say here that, okay, number is equal to, I'll say that I want to actually make it floats, right? So I will have to say here float. So I'm going to say here float, and then first parenthesis, and here I'm going to change the variable. I mean, I'm going to mention the variable here, right? And now the type will be float. So now if I say print, then type, let's say I want to know the type of now the number. Okay, so if I execute it, and here you can see the first of all, okay, and the number was integer, right? That's why actually first print will show it integer, and then I have changed the type to float, and now you can see the type is float. And if I want to print the number, so I can say here number now, and let's run it once again, and here you can see 10.0, right? So the value was 10, but now it's showing 10.0 because of the float, and you can see the type also, right? So this is called typecasting. Okay, now let's say I want to mention here one more variable, and that is, let's say I'll say that student or not. So if the student, then it will actually show true, true. And I want to now change that. At first I'm going to print it, so let me just copy it. I want to actually print the type here, okay, and the type would be, let's say student. So if I run it, now you can see student type is boolean right now, right? True. So I want to change the type also, so I will say student is equal to str. For the string, I'll say a student, student, student. Now if I print the type, here you can see type. I'm going to say here student. Now see the type, and here you can see it's string, right? So yeah, that's it. So this is how actually typecasting work in Python. So you can actually change the type of your variable. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.